Hi guys, I will be showing you how to get an anim ringtone text tone and alarm clock. Type. Scroll all the way down. Then click ringtones under content. Then find any anime song or sound you like. When you find it, click it. And then click continue on browser. Press download. Wait 10 seconds. Click download. Download GarageBand. Click browser. Create song. Click Files. Click Browser Items from Files app. Click Recents. Find yours. Click yours and drag it. Name it to whatever you want. Click Share and Ringtones. Export. Standard ringtone. Click Sounds. Click Ringtone. Click yours. If you want it for a text tone, click Text Tone. Find yours and click it. If you want it for just one person, go to that person's contact. Click Edit. Click Ringtone. Find yours again and click it.
Yeah, see.
If you want it for alarm, go to clock. Put a new alarm. Find yours again and click it again. I hope this helps. What else should I do? And thank you for 27 subscribers. I love you all. Bye.